Here are some scary facts. It's estimated that 50% of businesses don't back up their data properly. Yet businesses that lose all of their data don't survive for more than a year. Sounds like a disaster waiting to happen, doesn't it? If your business hasn't got a robust backup system, you need to sort this, and fast. Not only to protect your business from hacks like ransomware, but also from real-world disasters like theft, fire, or flood. Insurance policies are there to protect you if the worst happens. A constant, verified backup of your data is the insurance policy that will help you sleep at night. Trust me, you will need to restore something from a backup at some point. This is the insurance you can virtually guarantee your claim on. For more information about data security and backups, please get in contact with us today.